Welcome to the University of Pretoria. Whether you're a new student or just curious about what is actually happening at UP, this is the right platform as we are taking you through everything you need to know. Orientation week, funding, student life, and everything you need to know. Hi, my name is Bayanda M, and I am your host of The Most. And today we're at UP, one of South Africa's best universities. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi guys, I'm Emmanuel Radingwana and we are currently at the Piazza. Well, the Piazza is right behind me. And what's currently happening at the Piazza is that all the student faculty houses are currently having activations. As you do know that we currently have our O week where we are welcoming our first year students to the university, and they just get to explore all the faculty day houses and also sign up and know about all the cool events that they get to host. So some of the faculty day houses that we currently have at our university is theology, which you'll see right down by my downside. They are purple. We also have Ebert House, Law House, House Humanities, as well as the NAS faculty.
Yeah, my name is Mdawi Kano, but you can call me Kano, by the way. I'm a first year student at the University of Pretoria. We call it UP. We make today matters, you know. I'm under the faculty of EBIT, you know. Yeah, whereby we innovate tomorrow, you know. I'm excited of being here. It's kind of I was scared, honestly speaking. But now I'm getting I'm adapting to the new changes and stuff. Meeting a lot of people who was in my things. But now, yeah, I'm excited of being here.
I am Simpio Christopher Mabaso. I am at University of Pretoria. I'm a first year student and I'm doing BIS Information Science. Also today it is the orientation day, and I'm kind of having mixed feelings. No, I'm happy, scared, and at the same time. Yeah, but yeah, I'm happy to be here, and I'm expecting maybe I'm thinking for the first semester, I'm afraid maybe I won't get those good marks and so on, but I'll try and pick up next semester. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Gareth Schubach. I'm in first year, and my degree is currently BA General. I chose archaeology, ancient culture studies, tourism and social anthropology, and German for beginners as my modules. No, it's very interesting. I feel happy to be here because it's a great university. The facilities, they're massive. And they're so different. And they also try to make it as simple as possible, where you don't get lost or confused. Yeah, they gave us a pamphlet that has a map in it, but it was quite clear and helpful.
So as I did say that we currently have a bunch of faculty houses currently on display, we also have some of our Tux Sport members. So right now behind me, we have the Tux Volleyball, and people are enjoying themselves playing volleyball. And right on to my right, we have the Tux Yachting Club. If you didn't know, we have a yachting club at our university, which you can form a part of and learn how to make use of the equipment and all the skills.
Hi, I'm Tristan Kono. I'm studying at BIT Information Systems at UP. Today we're here to bring people together to play volleyball by the nets and get them excited about the volleyball club in Pretoria. I've been playing volleyball for 3 years. I started in first year. It's my third year at University of Pretoria. Yeah. We have a QR code. You just come here, scan the QR code. It'll take you to the portal where you can sign up and register, and then you just come to practice. Outside of orientation, you can just go online to the Tux Sport website, and it has a list of clubs that you can join. You click one you want to register for, and then you join.
Hi, I'm Jenna Dorian. I'm the secretary as well as the socials, media and marketing manager of Tux Volleyball here. I don't actually play the game. I'm involved strictly on an administrative basis because my father's been involved for many years, and I think it's a lovely sport to be involved in. So it's obviously first week, it's orientation for our first years that have all joined, our beautiful matriculants that finished last year. And this week is really to get them to know the campus, to know what they're doing, as well as to encourage them to join any societies, including Tux Volleyball here. So have a nice net set up with nice social volleyball, as well as allowing them to join. We have open to all policy. We don't have any trials. More than welcome to join. But we also have our competitive, as well as our student teams, Fun fact, our student teams are the current champions for the USA indoor volleyball as well as the beach volleyball, where last year it was actually a Tux versus Tux final on the sand. Sports in general, I think, it's such a great way to keep active. When I started on campus, it was COVID. I knew nobody, I was stuck in a room, and the first thing I did when we were back on campus was to join something to get to know people outside of my faculty. And yeah, I think it's just a great way to be part of something bigger than yourself and really make the most out of your university experience. So here at Tux Volleyball, we have a multitude of teams. We have juniors for high school students. We also have our skills and development group from where we have an under-19 team. We have our student team, and we even have a few masters. And then we have our competitive teams. We compete in our GVU and our TVU tournaments, as well as our Champs Cup, where we placed second last year, which is really great. We're going for the gold this year. More than that, we are also encouraging more people to join, not necessarily to play, but if you want to learn how to ref, if you want to learn how to coach, or even just be involved with the social media and travel with the team to their various tournaments.
Hi everyone, my name is Nokwazi Ngumalo. I'm the Community Engagement and Outreach ex-officio, in short REC. We only came back on the 15th of January to assist students with registrations and other concerns or issues or challenges that they may be facing. But we got inaugurated in Jan, I think the 16th if I'm not mistaken. That's when we were officially the SRC. Okay, so now we as the SRC, we understand that being a first year can be hectic, a lot of chaos going around. So we try to bridge the gap between the students, the first years, and the staff, because obviously they don't know what to get, where to get the help they need. So we actually liaise with the people they have to reach out to. We even take them to the rightful stakeholders that we know they will assist them better regarding any issues that they might be facing, whether accommodation, funding, registration, and even as something small as collecting your access card.
Hey everybody, it is Kataho. I am currently an honors student at the University of Pretoria doing my postgrad in international relations. And as you can see, we are currently outside the Faculty of Law. And right now we're currently outside the conference center. And also it's the middle of orientation week. Now, I know you may be feeling a bit overwhelmed, but here are some tips to get you through orientation week. If you're struggling with something, please do not forget to reach out to an SRC member or your faculty EC. And also, campus may be feeling a bit overwhelming at this point, so I suggest that you do walk around in groups so that you can find your buildings, because it might be a bit confusing at first. And one last tip, don't forget to have fun. You are in first year after all. But also, please do take care of your mental health beyond university, because with university comes a lot of pressure, comes a lot of academic stress, and also family pressure. So taking care of your mental health is extremely important. And also regarding mental health, you can also reach out to the student counseling unit right here on campus where you can receive support. And overall, remember your why. You're here for a reason and you decided to apply here. So remember your why and stick to your why, because there will be a lot of external pressures, but if you just sit down and relax and just remember your why, that will get you to second year, and that will get you to third year, and that will get you your degree.
Hi, my name is Zenzile Ntabele, and we are in the Department of Library Services at University of Pretoria. So we are in the Merensky 2 library, one of our 8 libraries at UP. We have 3 libraries in the Hatfield campus. We have 3 health science libraries. We have 1 library at the veterinary science campus and 1 at Groenkloof campus. So what we offer here in the library is conducive spaces for students to study, and we also have dedicated spaces for master's and doctoral students. We also offer a maker space where students can do 3D printing and use other advanced technologies. And we have a book nook where you can relax and rewind and read some fiction books. So we also understand how expensive textbooks are, and we have made them available in the library. So you can come and borrow your prescribed and recommended textbooks here in the library. We also offer ebooks, because we also understand time have changed. You don't only use print books. So we have ebooks available as well. But we also have articles from e-journals which you can use for your research. We also offer help in terms of assistance when you are dealing with your research and your assignments. So we have information specialists who are dedicated to your own subject area who can guide you through your assignments and your research. So behind me, we have our prescribed and recommended books. So this is where you can borrow your prescribed and recommended books. We only issue them for 2 hours, so you can borrow them for 2 hours and return them. But you are also allowed to copy the sections that you want to read, because other students are also waiting to use the same book. So if you are a new student, the only thing you need to use the library is your student card. Once you are registered, we already have your information, so you can come and access your library anytime. We also offer a 24/7 study area where you can read anytime you want to. So we close the library, but we don't close the 24/7 study area. So we offer both spaces to use if you have your device, your laptop, or you can also use one of our computers, which are accessible in this area. And if you would like to print something, we also offer some printers there, but you will need your student card, and you will need to also load your credits with tax print to access or print your stuff. Hi, this is the Book Nook, and if you have done all the work and you want to relax, you can come to the Book Nook and read some fiction books.
Hi, I'm Bianca. I work at the library, but I'm also a student, so I work here part-time. This is the Book Nook, and they have lovely novels like Game of Thrones, which is my favorite, and I've been reading it the whole of last year. So yes, we love when students come here just to relax and have a good time. If you are interested to come and relax at the Book Nook, you are more than welcome. All you need is a student card, so you should be registered, and a UP student. But alumni are also welcome if they are part of the alumni packages. They're also welcome to come and use this fantastic space.
My name is Milenhle Dlamini, and I am studying information sciences. I am a first year. I chose a University of Pretoria because it is one of the best universities in Africa. I am in private accommodation. I'm from Swaziland. I heard about University of Pretoria from my brother because he used to school here. He graduated in 2022.
Hi, my name is Babala Lubakeng. I'm from Kimberley in the Northern Cape. I'm studying Bachelor of Political Science, specializing in political studies here at the University of Pretoria. I chose UP because it is one of the best institutions in South Africa, and also because I just like how diverse it is.
Hey, hi, I'm Guinea.
I'm Laura, and we're technicians here at the Makerspace.
So we are currently at Marinsky Level 3. We open from 8 to 4 p.m. on weekdays, and we are open to all students across all faculties.
Some of the services that we offer is 3D printing. So you can 3D print here. We do charge you for the filament used. You can do 3D scanning. You have to book that with us. You can come play VR here for free. We have a plethora of games. You can also vinyl cut and heat press t-shirts and cups. We have IoT kits if you really want to build a circuit. We have a tool bench that you can fix your things with. And then there's a workspace here where you can bring your friends, you can eat and drink inside here, and you can play games, work, do what you want.
This is not a quiet zone. So if you are looking for quiet, you would have to go to the next side of the library. UP is an innovative campus. So we are mostly about change, we are mostly about creativity. So this is why you should choose UP. If you want to make a change in the world, this is the best place for you.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Radingwana. I'm a final year BA Visual Studies student, and I'm also a part of the UP Library Service team, and I work here as an hourly staff member. So we are currently in one of our 3 training venues. This is Training Room 1, and this is where we offer a variety of trainings. So in the library, we have training for academic writing, Turnitin training, as well as AI referencing. As we do know that we currently live in an era where AI is the key to everything. But in Varsity, we help you how to correctly use AI. We then also have introduction to databases, as well as how to properly reference your work, because it's very important when doing research work to credit all your sources. The reason why I chose to come study at the University of Pretoria is I only applied to this university because it's the best university, and I thought nowhere else deserves to have me, and I came here. And another reason why I came here is because they have the best campus radio station in the whole of Africa. So I work at Tux FM as a sports anchor as well as a presenter, and I also host the Tux FM sports show called Sports in Shorts. Once you become a student here, you get exposed to different media opportunities if you are interested in the media, also academic spaces. So for me, essentially working at Tux FM, I've gotten to meet very cool, interesting people who are in the radio world. I've also been privileged enough to be part of the 5FM's Youth Day lineup, meaning that I got to host a whole hour show on 5FM. And I've also gotten to win quite a few prizes. So I have 2 radio awards, South African Radio Awards to my name, and also an ISBC nomination for Best Sports Presenter in the World.
Hello, my name is Amahle Ndlovu and I am the chairperson for the Faculty House of Natural and Agricultural Sciences. I'm studying human physiology and pharmacology. I'm basically just here to encourage you to take part in both social and academic aspects of the university life. And basically why I'm advising you to do that is simply because it helps you with your mental health. It also helps you outside in your career world. You're not just stuck in this institution. When you get out there, you're a representative of what you've learned here. You learn to balance everything that you do in the outside as well as your work and your academics aspect. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sen Kyakanea. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Commerce in Law, majoring in Accounting and Tax, and I'm currently also part of the assisted registration team here on Hillcrest campus. The registration process is that you first log onto your UP portal with your student number and your password. You then move on to the Student Center, which you then click the Academic Information tile, which will then find the online registration button. Throughout the online registration, you'll just basically read the information, click confirm, make sure that your information is correct, such as filling in your emergency contact details, making sure that your postal address is correct, where you live is correct, and then the last process is adding your modules, and then you can click confirm and a proof of registration will be sent to an email address that you added on. The documents that first years need is that they need to hand in a physical contract and make an initial payment. However, international students have different requirements. If students encounter any issues, they are more than welcome to come to the Hillcrest campus where we can assist them with registration. There's also the temporary call center that is set up at Hatfield campus if you'd like to call in rather, or you can go to the Student Service Center at Hatfield campus as well. They can also assist you with any problems that you encounter.
Good day, my name is Pindile Mage. I work for the University of Pretoria as the admissions manager. Today we are at Hillcrest campus helping students with registration. Our prospective students must apply online for the university. For the students to apply to the University of Pretoria, they need to go to our website. We open the applications on the 1st of April and we close on the 30th of June. But for the Faculty of Veterinary Science, we close on the 30th of May. We get a lot of mistakes from students that apply to us. One of the mistakes is that when they apply online, they don't finish their application. It's very important that when you are done with your application, you click the apply button. But also make sure that you apply with the required documents. For instance, if you are in grade 12, you need to have your grade 11 final report. If you are done with your grade 12, you need to have your grade 12 NSC certificate. But if you are an international student, for instance, you have an international curriculum, make sure that all your results are there, you upload it on the online application. Once you have applied and clicked the apply button, you must just give us 14 days to verify your application. Then you will receive a letter from us by email with your student number. The letter will direct you to the UP portal where you can log in to check and track your admission status.
We're at the Fundi office right here at the University of Pretoria. If you're a student at the University of Pretoria, why not visit the Fundi loan office to get yourself a study loan from your tuition fee, registration fee, laptop devices, and many more. Come on,